Welcome to SIMU Video Manual for Radio Motors. In this video, you will learn how to reset the motor to factory mode. Perform a double power cut. Turn the power to the motor off for 8 seconds. Turn it back on for 8 seconds. Turn off again for 8 seconds. And then restore power and the motor will move. Next, take any HZ transmitter and press and hold the programming button until the motor jogs twice. The motor is now reset and ready to be programmed. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.